recipe. We are talking about American pancakes!
For the pancakes, you need the following ingredients: 8 tablespoons of flour, 100 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 5 grams of baking powder, 1 egg, vanilla essence, and sunflower oil.
Now it's time to mix the ingredients.
First, we add the sugar, then the vanilla essence, and then the egg.
Now it's time to whisk the ingredients together. You must do this until the sugar is melting.
Now it's time to add the milk. Here you go, Anna.
Thanks.
Now it's time to gradually add the flour.
What do we add next, Matej?
We add the baking powder.
Okay. Now you are ready to fry.
We reduce the flame to medium.
Now we need a ladle.
Add the pan to the fire to make it hot.
Now we add the oil in the pan.
Ata, can you please give me the spatula?
Okay. Matej, you can make them smaller or bigger, right?
Yes. Always be careful not to get burned. We add a bit more oil. This is the last one.
It's time to eat.
You can eat it with jam,
Nutella.
simple.
How do you like it?
recipe
Give us a like.
and subscribe.
Now time to eat.